Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is week 5. I hope that you and your families are safe. Please remember to stay healthy and safe. Keep on washing your hands. Even though the economy is going to reopen, make sure you take all your precautions when you get out. Use your face mask or use gloves. Or at least remember to don't touch your face and wash your hands more often than you normally do. Uh, Week 5 homework. In your homework, you're going to find this problem: -6 plus 5 times 2. This problem, it is regarding order of operations. Order of operations. I hope that you remember this topic. If not, here we go. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Even though we build something like this, these are exponents. Some of you still got some questions about this. And remember, first you need to work with parentheses, then you need to work with exponents, then multiplication and division. This doesn't mean that first multiplication and then division. No, remember, we have a big arrow here on the bottom that it is telling you that you need to work from left to right. It is not first multiplication and then division. No, it is from left to right, whatever it appears first. Addition and subtraction in second term, because they have a different hierarchy. First you work with multiplication and division, and then after that you work with addition and subtraction. So this problem, it is a tricky problem, because if you go ahead and work without this, without following the International Agreement of Order of Operations, you're going to be doing this. Remember, this is the wrong way. I'm going to put a cross on here so you can remember that it is not correct. This is the wrong way. Because if you work the wrong way, plus 5 times 2, you are going to tell me, oh, so I'm pretty smart. I am going to have to subtract. Well, this is -6 plus 5 times 2. -6 plus 5. If I do a number line, I am hearing -6. And I am going to add +5. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -5, -4, -3, -1. Zero, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I add 5, -5, -4, -3, -2, I'm sorry, this is negative, here I go. This is -5, -4, -3, -2, and this is -1. So if you solve this first, you're going to tell me, well, if I solve -6 plus 5, that is equal to -1. And then I'm just going to have to multiply it times 2. So -1 times 2, that is equal to -2. And if you put me that is going to be wrong. Why? Here we go. You need to be very, very aware, and you need to pay attention, because this is one of those tricky problems that that we put intentionally here in order for you to review. Remember, that was the wrong way, and the wrong way, it gave to you an answer of -2. Now I'm going to work it on the right way. This is the correct one. So if I work it out in the correct form, I'm going to use a different color. I am going to use a different color just to point out and just to show you, well, this is a -6, this is a 5, and this is a 2. The operations that I'm seeing here, well, this is an addition, and this is a multiplication. So if I go to my Pandas graphic organizer, I got an addition and a multiplication. So this is my addition and this is my multiplication. remember, you go in layers, you go in hierarchy. This is the first hierarchy or the first layer, second, third, and fourth. So if I got an addition and a multiplication, first I need to solve the multiplication because it has more hierarchy. It's on the top. So I'm going to go and work with the multiplication first. So here I go. I'm going to leave this operation. So first I'm going to go ahead and solve these. 5 times 2. 5 times 2, that is 10. And then I'm just going to copy the rest of the expression. Negative 6 plus 10. Now, this is completely different than what we saw on the first chance that I did this problem. If I do this problem, I am going to be here in negative 6, and then I'm going to be adding positive 10. So if I go all the way to positive 10, or if I jump positive 10 here, I am going to be finishing in positive 4. If you don't believe me, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this was negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. If you do this, that is going to give you, your answer is going to be positive 4. The symbols are very important. Now your answer is positive 4. If you remember, when we solved this with the wrong way, we got a negative 2, and that was not correct. The correct answer, it's positive 4. Remember to always follow the order of operations, and you are not going to have any issues. Any question or doubt, please call me or text me. Thank you. Bye-bye.